Welcome back to Mr. Nat's Maths, and today we're going to look at comparing numbers with decimals. Okay, starting off here, I had my whiteboard that I was using the other day to draw a picture of the weekend, and this is what my weekend looked like. I was pretty impressed with this picture, so I kept it on there. Sun, trees, water, relaxation, clear skies, nature, animals. There's my beach towel, there's my books, there's a cool drink, and flowers, and the hills, and the ocean. Yeah, it was pretty good. Oh my goodness, this won't rub off because I drew it the other day. Oh, horrible. What a horrible. Sorry. Oh, luckily I have another whiteboard here. So, comparing numbers with decimals. So we have something like 23.5. And we'll know if it's, we're going to want to use a symbol in the middle here. We don't know. And over here we got 23 point. Whoops. Oh my goodness. What am I doing? Mr. Nat, concentrate. 23.45, for example. Okay, and we want to know which symbol we're going to put in the middle there. Is it equal? Is it greater than? Or is it less than? So we got these three symbols to look at, right? Is it greater than? Is it less than? Or is it equal to? This is what we want to find out. And people are getting confused with the value of these digits after the decimal point. Okay, so let's have a look at this. If we've got the 23.5, we will write it as 2 tenths, 3 ones, and 5 tenths. Okay, now over here we got 0.45. Is this 45? Is this 45? And this is 5. And this is where the confusion comes along. This is a misconception. We've got 5 here. We got a 4 and a 5 here. Is this number 45? Is this number 5? Some people think that 45 is way bigger than 5, right? But you have to look at the columns, because this 23.45, okay, we need to look at the columns, and we can see here that we got 45 hundredths. 4 tenths is the same as 40 hundredths. So it's like having 45 over here in this column, but we can't put the 40 in there. We've got 4 tenths and 5 hundredths. Here we've got 5 tenths, which is the same as, if we put a 0 in here, you could see it better, but you don't need it, 50 hundredths. So here we've got 50 hundredths, and here we've got 45 hundredths. So we wouldn't normally put the 0 in there because we know that we've got nothing after the 5 tenths. There's nothing after that. It's 5 whole tenths. So 5 tenths, can you see that 5 tenths is bigger than 4 tenths, even if we've got an extra 5 hundredths, because we would need another 5 hundredths to make this into a whole tenth. So for this question here, I've got 23 ones. I've got 2 tenths, 3 ones, and 5 tenths. I got 2 tenths and 3 ones, and only 4 tenths and 5 hundredths. This number is smaller, so this number is bigger. So we need greater than. The answer to this question is greater than. Okay? Right, it's as simple as that, and I hope that helps you out with comparing numbers with decimals in today's lesson and future lessons. Okay? Bye for now. Cheers.